In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make money by just watching video, guys. Hi guys, this is your boy Dennis here. If you're new to my channel, please make sure subscribe, you like this video, and also share with your friend who is interested in making money online. So if this is the thing, let's get started, guys. There's several ways that you can use to make money online, which I'm going to explain today, guys. So as you can see, guys, today's video, I'm going to use this website here. It's called sproutgigs.com. Guys, as you know, making money online, guys, is easier, guys, if you follow a straight guide. As you can see, there are several ways to make money online by watching videos. Some of the most popular methods include online surveys website. Some surveys website pays users to watch videos as part of research. So, guys, in today's video, we are not going to use the surveys or what, but we are going to use the real way by watching videos. In this website, guys, I'm going to show you on how you guys can make money by just watching videos, guys, not completing surveys or whatever. So paid, there's several ways that you can use making money, guys. There's a You can create videos, you can create a YouTube channel and monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. But today's video, I'm not going to do that. Or else you can do influencer marketing. You can earn money by promoting products or services through videos on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Online also tutoring. You can make money by teaching or tutoring students through a video conference. But guys, as a quick disclaimer, please know that making money online by watching videos may not be a steady income, and the earning potential varies, depends on the platform and the effort you put in. Some of the above mentioned methods may require a significant amount of dedication and effort to be successful. So guys, this is not the thing that will make you rich, but this is the thing that at least you can make something. Guys, this website is sportgeek.com. We are going to make money by just watching videos. That's the only thing that I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, guys, in this site, there's a lot of people, guys, from different countries, different people from all over the world. As you can see here, different countries here. We have people from Filipino, we have people from India, we have people from Nigeria, we have people from Italy, Bangladesh, and many more, guys. So yeah, Taiwan, Filipino. As you can see here, there's a lot of cash out. Every time people are cashing out, this is the money that you are seeing here in front. As you can see, these guys here. Let me just scroll on. As you can see, these guys are people total end 56, 59.6. This guy here also 40, and this also guy here 14. This guy 106. This guy also N, and many more. As you can see, guys. So this is a proof that shows that people are really making money using these websites, guys. So this is not fake. This is real, guys. So this website, what it does, these are the influencers. As you can see, if we click here, Sport Gig, they say it's an online that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tax. So in this website, guys, also you can cash up using your PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal account, make sure you go and click create one. It's only need your Google account and you're good. So it's easy steps. So guys, here, as you can see, one marketplace, multiple ways to get work done. You can do you can hire as many workers as you want. You also can become a worker, which people, they will hire you to do their work as what we are going to do. But all those things, guys, we are not going to do them right now. I'm going only to show you on how you can make money by just watching videos. So without wasting much time, guys, make sure you go and sign up here. Once you sign up, make sure you put your details, your email address, your real name, your email address, your password, and confirm password, your also nickname, and select your country here down, and create the, come here down here, say I agree terms and condition of them. Then make sure you tick here that you are a worker, not as an employer. Then click it, sign up. And once you're done, you sign up, guys. You log into your account. I'm going to log in on my account here. Click login. So once you log in, your account is going to do like it is going to be new like this, as you can see here. This is brand new account that I'm going to show you how you can start making money, guys. This is just a demo account that I'm going to show you that these things work. If you decide to go ahead and start also doing the same thing, then you can go ahead, guys. But as I said, this is a thing not that is going to make you rich, but this is a thing that at least you do something than just staying at home. But if you are looking for the best way to make money online, guys, I will leave the link in the description. Just go and click the link in the description below or comment down below if you have any question. I will take you step by step to start making money, guys, online. So as you can see here, there's a lot of jobs here. You just come here and say find jobs. There's a lot of ways that you can make money. But let's click how I say find jobs. So here, the jobs that we're going to do, we want to watch video. We want to start making money by watching videos. So what we are going to do here, let's click offers. Okay, find jobs. We want to watch video. Okay, cool. I got it. Here it is. These are the people that they want you to go and comment on their video. As you can see here, new task. Comment on the video and you earn this $2. Simple as that. Just go and complete comment on their video, like the video. You can also subscribe there and they will give you $2. Another new task also say watch a video for 60 seconds, then they'll pay you $3. You see, guys, they are paying these people. You can also go and do all those things. This one they are paying new offer. Download the PDF file and you get $1. Also here they say follow them on Twitter, then you earn $2. So these are the jobs, guys, that you can do and you keep on making this money, guys. As you can see, you can keep on doing. There's a lot of them, but you can focus on just watching videos and you're good to go. If you like just by watching videos, just go and apply one. There are a lot of things here. Let me see again. Start, boom, 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 boom. CPA, yes, okay. Okay, so in order for you to start completing those surveys, you need to complete some few what put the birth of death. Let me put mine. Then okay. Then click save. Oh, so invalid. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Get it. Then 10. Again 10. Okay. Click save. Again, invite date of birth, year, month, your date. Do they need? Okay. 1997. Then month 10. Then 10. Oh, let me just put 97. I really got no idea why. Okay, anyway, but you got an idea, right? Just go there and start doing the simple jobs online, then you are good to go. There are a lot of ways that you can use to make money. And also there's this other way that you can use referral program. You just earn money by just referring your friend as well. This is the other second one, but we don't talk much about this. I only want you to go and start watching video. But if you want to even earn more, just you can go and start to watching videos also. I mean, referring this program to your friends as well. As you can see, you earn 5% for each successful job your member complete. You earn 5%. So it's good, guys. You just go and sign up for this telephony program and start sharing with your friend and you're good to go. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you understand. There's a lot of things that you can do in this website. You saw the proof, right? Just go ahead and start making money like that. So yeah, so guys, that's it, man. That's it for today. But if you don't understand, if you want to recreate, if you want me to recreate this again video, guys, make sure you comment down in the description. I'll be very happy, guys, to answer all your questions. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy. Again, I will see you in the next video. So bye bye for now.